Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to talk and I want to show you some products that I received for free. For what I have in the envelopes I didn't pay anything, for what I have in the boxes I paid a delivery charge. If you are not new on my YouTube channel, you already know how I get these products for free. For new people, quickly I will explain the process. On my Facebook or Instagram account, on the feed appear different advertising if I want to try a product. Sometimes there are only samples to try, sometimes there are on the full-size product to try. Everything that you need to do is to sign up your details, and in a couple of days you will receive a product. So these products can be ordered by everyone. Okay guys, this was a long intro, so let's move to the unboxing. First, I think it's better to start with the envelopes. In this black envelope, I received a mini-size product from MAC. It's from their new skincare range, Hyper Real Serumizer Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. MAC claims that it's formulated with Pro 4 Power Infusion Matrix, Japanese peony extract, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. This face serum will improve skin texture and strengthen skin barrier to reveal petal soft skin, perfect for a makeup-ready canvas. I didn't try it yet, but I'm curious to see what this serum can do. In the white envelope, I put all the samples that I received. Let's go quickly through the fragrance samples that I have. Here is an eau de parfum from Jennifer Lopez, Cold One. It's a floral, woody and spicy scent. It smells nice, but it didn't convince me to go to the store and buy it. The next sample is from Tom Ford, Black Orchid. This fragrance doesn't need a presentation. Many of you know it, many of you love it, many of you hate it. For me, it's a nice and interesting scent, definitely is an evening scent. The best time of the year to wear it is in the winter. The scent is strong, is sweet, is woodsy, is suffocating and bold. Next I have a sample from Viktor Rolf, Flower Bomb, Eau de Parfum. And this is a well-known fragrance. It's a beautiful floral sweet scent. It smells adorable, is clean, is a bit spicy, is a bit powdery. I think many of you know this scent and loves it. The last fragrance sample that I received is from Maison Margiela Replica. It's a new scent called On a Date. Well guys, this is the most beautiful and romantic scent that I tried in the last time. It's aromatic, it's fruity, it's soft, it's fresh, it's clean, it's adorable. I love it. Beautiful and gorgeous scent. Next I want to show you two samples received from Clarins. It's from their new Hydra Essential range. Here I have a night cream. And of course from the same range, the day cream. Now let's move to the boxes. In the first one I have a product from Avantage, Age Restore Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. It's designed to treat and rehydrate the skin, is rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and E. Also contains shea butter and sweet almond oil to keep your skin young and supple. I only started to use this product and will be wrong to say something about it. I need more time to make a fair opinion about it. The only thing that I can say is that the formula is very nice, is lightweight and in the same time is rich, is nourishing and feeds the skin well. In the next box we have a fragrance. Before I show it to you, just take a look how beautiful they packaged the product. I appreciate that. Is from Shea Blue. Is an eau de parfum called Amber Rose. Well, I choose this fragrance. I had the option to choose which one I want to try. It's a beautiful rose fragrance. It's simple and sweet. A very nice fragrance. Now let's move to the last box. It's from Avantage, Age Radiance, Brightening and Depuffing Hyaluronic Overnight Eye Recovery Mask. Fortified with plumping and hydrating ingredients, the mask helps to condition and brighten, promoting a more refreshed and energized appearance of the skin. And these were the products that I wanted to show you. I am curious if you like and if you want to see more videos like this here on my channel. Let me know, guys, what do you think in the comment section below this video. And this was everything for today. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!